time with a Paul S. Kinstead's studied presentation, A Brief History of Cheese. It is not just a story about a food, it's about a civilization, survival, and the culture and how something as ordinary as cheese can. So, and how the cheese played an extraordinary role in the human history. So let's start with the beginning. Around 8000 BCE, in what we call today the Fertile Crescent, an area stretching near modern day Iraq in Turkey. Neolithic farmers began domesticating goats, sheep, and cattle, and these early people faced a challenges most adults couldn't discuss the lactose well. They were lactose intolerant. Directly drinking milk wasn't always an option, but they discovered something remarkable: milk naturally. Sours, when left in warm conditions, acid-producing bacteria transform lactose into the lactic acid, causing proteins to clump. So, forming curds, when they separated those curds from the leakage, they ended up with a primitive form of cheese, soft, spreadable, and lasting longer than fresh milk. So, this was a game changer. For the first time, people could store nutrient-rich food through seasons of security. Scarcity, cheese supplied, protein, fat, materials, all valuable stuff, but with the less lack of, making it more digestive for many. So, how cheese spread and diversified? As agriculture so spread, so the so sorry, uh, just give me 1 minute. So sorry, I have a fever today, so that's why I'm not feeling well, and that's why so much disturbance. So I was asking that in places with the harsh winters, take the alpine regions of Europe, for example, preserving food for the winter was vital. Cheese became a part of the survival. Took like hard cheese could be stockpiled, transported, and consumed through times when fresh food was cleared. Also, local environment factors, climate, altitude, local classes for grazing, influenced the flavor, texture, and character of cheeses from the region to region. So, now, what I found more striking is how cheese illustrates a broader truth. Necessity drives innovation. Ancient humans didn't invent cheese because it was gourmet. They needed durable, nutrient-dense food that necessarily bred creativity. And those innovations become cultural concerns. And also, the way place matters, grass, climate, altitude, human tradition, all these combined to create regional styles. Cheese isn't just a word; it's the milk it's where the milk comes from, who make it, and how. So, in conclusion, a brief history of cheese isn't simply about the food. It's about the simple idea, turning milk into something lasting, helping human society survive, trade with economies, and express culture. And cheese is ancient, yes, but it is still alive in every slice we enjoy today. So, until next time, keep letting keep great. Say, Allah Hafiz, and in it, as always, Pakistan, Zindabad. Take all of you, Allah Hafiz.